Cornwell's file sets are a great choice for professionals. This 6-piece file set has various designs to accomplish your work. Whether it's to file down metal edges or to smooth out holes, this set will help you with numerous applications. It's a file set. What else can we say? It's simple. Bi-material handles with a variety of designs, all stored in a package for your convenience. Available from your local Cornwell dealer. Cornwell's bolt extractor sets are a great choice for professionals. This 13-piece bolt extractor set is no exception. Sizes range from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inches and work with a 3/8 drive socket wrench or a standard wrench. They're perfect for removing damaged or rounded nuts and bolts and works on both standard and metric fasteners. Get all of the stubborn fasteners removed with this awesome bolt extractor set. Available from your local Cornwell dealer. Available from your local Cornwell dealer. Cornwell's selection of handy mats have only improved over time. This 14-inch by 21-inch mat is no exception. It's designed for severe kneeling conditions such as cold hard steel, concrete, grating, gravel, or anything else that can cause discomfort. It's made of heavy, resilient, closed-cell foam rubber, not plastic. It won't compress, set, or absorb liquids and is impervious to petroleum products. The thick 1-inch foam is self-extinguishing and silicone-free. The built-in handle makes it easy to carry and hangs up, making it easy to store. Use this handy mat to take the stress off of your knees and back today. Available from your local Cornwell dealer.
Introducing the Lisle 24970 Spill-Free Funnel. The lid keeps the funnel clean and also contains all the caps and adapters. Now with individual colored adapters for easy identification. Includes a new cap for Audi and Volkswagen vehicles. It may also work on some Mercedes and Porsche vehicles. The clear funnel allows you a quick visual check from across the shop. The kit includes 5 caps and adapters to fit many vehicles. The straight extension and two 45-degree elbows can be combined to work in any hard-to-reach application. The secure fit of the funnel allows for hands-free filling of the radiator and surge tanks. To use the funnel, insert the correct adapter and cap on the radiator. Place the funnel into the adapter and add the coolant. With the engine running, trapped air can escape through the funnel with no mess, eliminating erratic cooling system and heater performance. Squeeze the radiator hose and insert the stopper. Transfer any remaining fluid to a container or overflow reservoir. the Lyle 24970 spill-free funnel.
When it comes to organizing your sockets, look no further than Cornwell's Lock-A-Socket Tray. Available in 3 colors, green, blue, and red. The interchangeable locking posts simply turn 90 degrees and secure your sockets to the tray. It can hold 20 1/4-inch sockets, 28 3/8-inch sockets, and 28 1/2-inch sockets. It's made of 16-gauge powder-coated steel for extra strength, swivel handles for easy carrying, and rubber foot pegs for surface grip and protection. Organize your sockets with this durable and reliable socket tray. Available from your local Cornwell dealer. Flashlights are an essential tool to have, but sometimes you need a headlamp to give you a hands-free way of seeing in the dark. The Bandit headlamp is the perfect tool for the job. A lightweight, low-profile design provides 180 lumens of widespread light. To get the headlamp out of Try-Me mode, plug the device into a power source with the USB cord that's provided. There are 3 output modes: high at 180 lumens with a 2-hour runtime, low at 35 lumens with a 9.5-hour runtime, and emergency flash, which flashes on high at 180 lumens. It produces bright, even, diffused light with less shadow than spot beams. The USB rechargeable lithium polymer battery charges in approximately 2.5 hours. It includes a visor clip, a 5-inch USB cord, and an elastic head strap. Use this hands-free flashlight to see in the dark areas of your work today. Available from your local Cornwell dealer.